Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on the YarnPal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So, that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to clear the cache, just go to the lower bar, click the third icon, the Me. New, click to the settings button at the upper right corner of the home screen and go to the second section, the general settings. Here you can find the third option, the clear cache, click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye!